Welcome to this course on scientific research and writing. To prepare for our 4 live sessions, you will work through a series of short video lectures. Each theme has 4 videos, about 10 minutes each, focusing on one specific topic. Please watch them in advance so that in class we can go deeper together through discussion and group exercises. The first theme, science, covers the foundations: what science is, the main types of reasoning, the principle of falsifiability, and the practices that keep science reliable. The second theme, scientific method, takes you step by step from observation and hypothesis through experimentation and testing to models, theories, and research methods, whether quantitative, qualitative, or mixed methods. The third theme, scientific pitfalls, looks at common traps. We will discuss cognitive biases, logical fallacies, pseudoscience, and how science distinguishes itself from them. Finally, in the fourth theme, scientific outreach, we focus on how research is communicated. Writing scientific papers, the peer review process, presenting your work, and the opportunities and risks of using generative AI for scientific writings. Now a few tips. Take notes while watching the videos. Writing things down helps you processing and remembering the content. If you like, you can experiment with tools such as Google's LLM Notebook. Use it as your digital tutor to turn your notes into mind maps, summaries, or even practice questions. What you should not do is just skim the slides. Many key explanations are only in the audio track. Each video gives you the background, and our live sessions bring it to life by group exercises. So, watch carefully, take notes, and come ready to engage. Having your notes in front of you during class will give you a real head start. Enjoy the videos and see you soon.